Is there a difference between using a dict literal and a dict constructor? Using pycharm, I noticed it offers to convert a dict literal into a dict constructor. Do these different approaches differ in some significant way? While writing this question, I noticed that using dict it seems impossible to specify a numeric key, d equals 1 column 1, 2 column 2, is possible, but, obviously, dict 1 equals 1 ... is not. Anything else?
I think you have pointed out the most obvious difference. Apart from that, the first doesn't need to look up dict, which should make it a tiny bit faster. The second looks up dict in locals and then globals and defines the built-in, so you can switch the behavior by defining a local called dict, for example, although I can't think of anywhere this would be a good idea apart from maybe when debugging.
Literal is much faster, since it uses optimized build_map and store_map opcodes rather than generic call_function.
They look pretty much the same on Python 3.2. As Gindler pointed out, the first doesn't need to look up dict, which should make it a tiny bit faster.
These two approaches produce identical dictionaries, except, as you've noted, where the lexical rules of Python interfere. Dictionary literals are a little more obviously dictionaries, and you can create any kind of key, but you need to quote the key names. On the other hand, you can use variables for keys if you need to for some reason. The dict constructor gives you more flexibility because of the variety of forms of input it takes. For example, you can provide it with an iterator of pairs, and it will treat them as key/value pairs. I have no idea why pycharm would offer to convert one form to the other.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.